even for those who cannot read, like those who have eyes but cannot read. They don't understand the Quran, right? For instance, imagine Bediuzzaman says to one of his students, his name was Husrev, he says, write the Quran in such a way that one line equals 2 surahs of the Quran. It could be either Al-Ikhlas, Surah 112 of the Quran, or Surah Al-Kawthar, the shortest surahs of the Quran, so that they fit into one line. And the size of the paper should correspond to such a verse. From Surah Al-Baqarah, it's verse 282, called Ayat Al-Mudayana, the longest verse in the Quran, so that it fits on one sheet. And when he started writing it, amazingly, in the entire Quran, all the names of Allah coincided. They are marked here in red. So, when you open any page, everywhere the names of Allah, they all coincide in a row like this. Plus, on some pages, when you close it like this, they overlap each other. And also, if you prick it with a needle like this, you'll hit the names of Allah there too. So there are 3 kinds of coincidences. It's unreal, isn't it? So imagine in a book of 600 pages, with so many letters, so many words, for all the names of the Creator to coincide on each page, Allah, Rabb, Rahman, Rahim. So all the names of the Creator coincide perfectly. It's impossible to tamper with. It's just for a person who can't read, who doesn't know Arabic, but simply has eyes. They can just look, and if they have a conscience, they'll understand that it couldn't have been tampered with, impossible to tamper with. So this is the miraculous nature of the Quran.